Welcome back, students. Today I'm back with a new tutorial, rather I should say a musical tutorial. So you will enjoy this tutorial because it will be a musical one. I'm saying musical one because in this tutorial we'll play some sounds, and this tutorial can be played both on mobile and on offline Scratch. So first of all, I'll start with the sprite. So this sprite I don't need, I'll just cross it, and then I'll take a new sprite. From here I'll select music, and you see plenty of musical drums and musical instruments are there. So first of all I'm taking guitar, so I'll be selecting this. So I'll go to events, and from events I'll select when the sprite clicked, this one, when the sprite clicked. So I'll drag it. Okay, this time little change I am doing. What it means, what this command means, when the sprite click, that means if I'll touch the sprite, because these are all sprites, guitar or any instrument which I'll be including, so these are all sprites. So if I'll click upon this, and on mobile if I'll put my finger upon that sprite, so it has to execute the command what I want to give. So I'll start along with the tutorial ahead. So I'll start with the sound. So this is the sound. I'll go to sound here, and you could see here start sound. Okay, one is play sound, but I'll be using this start sound. So click this and bring it here. This is written start sound C2 electric guitar. If I'll click it, a drop down menu will be there. You could see a different options: C electric guitar, D electric guitar. Okay, so I have to just select suppose C electric guitar, and if I'll click it, you could see here the sound is coming. Now I want to play some pattern of sound of the guitar. So what I can do, I can use the wait command in between. I'll go to control, and in control you could see here wait command. So I'll just drop this command here. So wait command I have used from the control block, and here I'll use the time as 0.1 second. I'll explain you why I'm using this. Right click and duplicate, and then I'll drag it here. So here I'll do little changes. Where it is written C electric guitar, I'll do D electric. Okay, the music pattern is changed. Earlier it's C, D. You will see the difference now. If I'll play it, you could see two sounds. Yes. So like this I'll again duplicate, and here I'll do the changes. Here I'll use E, and then again duplicate, then F, again duplicate, G. Now if I'll click upon this, you could see here the pattern of sounds as the guitar is being played. So as I've told you, you'll enjoy this tutorial, and I hope you have started enjoying it also as you are doing side by side. So now I'll be taking a new sprite, and in this sprite again I'll click on music. Now I want to use some other one, saxophone. I'll click upon this. Now this is, you could see here two sprites. I want one instrument with saxophone, one more I want to take. Suppose our Indian instrument tabla. Okay, these three instruments I have already taken. One more I'll take. Then okay, drum kit I'll take. So there are four instruments I have taken. So now I have already given the coding for electric guitar. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this coding, the same coding, to all other instruments. How I have to copy? I'll just drag this coding towards other sprites. Just see how I'm doing. I have to just click upon the top where you could see the hand, and then I'll drag it like this, and then I'll just throw this coding, or I'll drop this coding on saxophone. Now if I click on the saxophone, you will see here the coding is being copied because I have dropped the coding. Now the same coding I'll drop it to drums, and then same coding I'll drop it towards the drums. Earlier it was drums and tabla, now drums. So firstly I'll do the changes where saxophone is there. So it's written here when clicked. So here I have to do the changes. When I'm using the saxophone, from here I have to use the sound of the saxophone which is being provided. So here it is C sax, here I'll do D sax, here I'll do E sax, F sax, G. It can be according to your own pattern. It depends upon you. But now if I'll click upon this, I hope it is clear to you. Now I'll use the same thing with drums and tabla. So these are the rhythmic instrument. So if I'll click upon this, and then from here start sound, I'll click upon like Hina, and then here I'll Hitun, Loge, and then Loglis. Again here I'll do Hina. So if I'll play this now, okay, so illusion of playing tabla, and then the same thing with the drums kit. I'll click upon this, and then as you know I'll click it here, drum bass 1, and then drum bass 2, drum bass 3, high tom, low tom. If we'll play it now, so if you will click it, you will enjoy the different music played. So you can enjoy this tutorial. I hope this musical tutorial you will like the most, and plus you are having the option to include as many instruments as you like. Now there are many, you can try as much as you want. So I'll stop my tutorial here only. If any confusion is there, you can just write a comment there. Okay, so I'm finishing my tutorial. Till then, bye.